What up everyone, this is Motorals here, and today I'm going to show you how to improve your recording quality on OBS. So let's get right into this. So there's a few things that you can do. The first thing you should do is click into settings and then go into the video section first. First, change both of these, the base canvas and the output scaled, into 1920 x 1080 to basically make it into 1080p, right? So you could make it into 4K as well, but I would recommend sticking with 1080p. So basically go with that. The next thing you want to do is your FPS, change it to 60, right? You can change this to Langsos as well and then change it to 60, or you could keep it as whatever it is, but this is the best one to have it on this, to basically then change it to 60. The next thing you want to do is go into output, change your output mode from simple to advanced, go into the recording section, and the first thing you want to choose is change your recording format to MP4. This is usually the best format that you can have from a recording perspective, and then just have it over here, and then go back into streaming. In here, you want to change your bitrate to basically the higher the better, but the higher the more storage or memory it's going to essentially take up when you are starting the recording. So just an FYI there. So this one you might need to play around with which one you want to do. So 10,000, 20,000, etc. Right? So you want to kind of take a decision from there and then go from there. The preset, you can keep it as wherever it is, but the best one is P7 because it'll literally say, but it is the slowest as you can see as well. Your tuning should be on high quality, and that's pretty much it. That's the main things that you can do, and you'll have basically higher quality standards or recording standards in OBS. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are already, please run them, get on the channel, make sure you subscribe, click that notification button. Motorals out. Peace.